Hi guys, welcome to my new system here. It's actually a new spin-off. ohmychadwm, that's the desktop environment, and you have 30 plus themes to choose from, and a little menu that pops up, but we don't need it, right? There are also always key bindings. Chadwm is a tiling window manager, so yeah, that's important to know that you need to find out where do I need to put my fingers. A Ctrl-Alt-T is going to do this, a Super Shift Enter is going to do that, Super Q, Super Shift Q, closing everything again, Super X is present here, or Super Shift X is there as well, and lastly there's also this one to get out. There are 3 ways to get out of your system. So like I said, lots of themes. Themes are located here. Now the topic of the video is not about theming. I've made a video plus 1 hour, right? And these are all names, and I don't know, basically it creates a theme on the wallpaper. So each time I see, oh, that's a nice wallpaper, I would like to have a theme with it, right? And then I create a new theme, and just recently I created doors. You'll see why it's called doors, right? Anyway, that's fun, right? Getting a wallpaper that you like and making a theme from it, and minute changes here and there, and then you have something to look at. You say, oh, that's nice, because the purple now actually follows this color here. So whatever color this thing is, this will change as well. So that was in the previous video, not yet done. Topic of the video again is, how do I get this? I want to have this, right? I'm not gonna go over all the arcolinux distros, and there are quite a few things that you can get right these days. If you take a look at the list that we have here, this is all Arch, right? I will always go back to one, and the only one, that's Arch. So let's remove this one. This is completely filled out and tested. And if you test something, you make a clone from it. So that I've made a Arch install from on the basis of the one of beginning of April with the new 4.0 version, right? Sigh. Anyway, right, I've said that in another video already. So when we boot up Arch, we want to have ohmychadwm on our system. Anything Arch, right? Really, I'm just gonna make one video, the one video to get ohmychadwm running, and it's not gonna be complete. It's complete on Kiro. Let me silence this guy again here. Always messing with us. 1 hour. There we go. So Xfce session, it's default Arch, right? Just telling Arch install advanced. I want Xfce. I want to have systemd, and that's it, right? There's not much to show you. Where should I make this bigger? No, bigger. Ah, there it is. Okay. So key bindings, right? Even here to make this bigger, sudo pacman -s. Why am I just showing you that everything is in here and everything's up to date? But I can't get yay ohmychadwm, right? Not gonna happen. I'm staying clear of anything related to AOR. I'm not gonna put anything on there. I'm my own man, which means I have my own Nemesis repo. How do we get our own Nemesis repo in? We go to the internet, right? This is something I'll install Firefox and Git probably, and Micro as well later on, right? Just gonna get these 3 in. It's an editor that can do sudo later on, instead of Sublime Text, which comes from the AOR, etc. It's just a workflow. Thing is, you need to go to the internet. You need to go to the internet. You need to go and know where is the repo of Erik Dubois. See that you know my name, and then obviously you get first hit, right? Great first hit. This is what I normally run. I run arcolinux-nemesis, and I run this script, and everything is changed. Anything and anywhere I go, and even Debian, right? But anything Arch, I transform it into something I like, right? And even everything else, I'll transform it and have chadwm, in this case ohmychadwm, the way I like it, right? The thing is, oops, it was a bit too soon. Thing is, we need to scroll up. It's these 3 lines that we need. The Nemesis repo. Where is the Nemesis repo? If you want to type it, freeze the video, but it's a little bit longer, right? That's the thing you need to type over. I'm not going to type over. I'm going to go to here, sudo micro. So I want to be able to write in the etc pacman.conf. At the bottom, I'm going to Ctrl-Shift-V, blah, 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 paste, and it's in, right? But I need to save it. Ctrl-S is saving it, saved etc pacman.conf. I need to get out of here, don't want to be here, close the window, Ctrl-T, sudo pacman -s oyyu, and we have a 3rd line, right? That's important. We have a 3rd line. Now I can install anything and everything that's on there, and there are lots of edu things that start with edu, but we are going to get this one, ohmychadwm-git. The naming is the same as ohmybash and ohmyzsh, right? Lots of, well, not lots, but there are dependencies coming in, otherwise you end up in something that's not workable. But it's not complete. Again, Kiro, it's complete. All the packages will be there and everything is fine because that's the ISO created by me, right? So everything will be there. So this is what you get if you install ohmychadwm with all the dependencies. There's still one icon missing, so I'm missing here a TTF font for this little guy up there. But a super enter is going to open Alacrity. A super shift enter is going to open Thunar. None of the colors are okay. There are no icons that I use all the time. It's not there. Super X arcolinux logout. It's not there, right? Super shift X, the power menu, not there. But super alt space is there. So you can have a look at the apps that are available, or you can have a look at the style and choose another style, create your own types, change the tags. Since this has one little thing that's missing, right? You can say, I'm just gonna take Arabic numbers, which basically, let's reboot, is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the normal standard thing. And otherwise it's the Roman ones, right? One I, and then II, and 3 I's, and an I and a V, right? Roman numbers, it's all just a choice, but it's easy. With this little script, everything becomes very simple. We click here, we see what we have, we choose, with arrows we go down and up, we log out, and etc, etc. So that's how you get it in. It will be lacking of several things, and some of the things have been covered in the sense that if you want to do something and the app is not there, it will probably install it, but maybe I've not thought it through, right? So if we do capture and do simple screen recorder, it's going to install simple screen recorder, right? Otherwise we can't run it. So some of those things actually trigger installations, but again, right, it's meant to run somewhere else. It's meant to run where he capture, right? This one. Maybe something is happening to it. Let's see. Simple screen recorder is not installed, right? Why? Sudo, you have to always keep your wits, because pacman -s simple screen recorder was thrown out, right? It's thrown out. It's no longer on the Arch repos, it's on the AUR, but there is no Git. Yay, right? There is no paru. So sudo pacman -yay is not possible. Yay is not on my repo either. So that's still up to you, but now you have already an idea how to get things started. And since this is a tiling window manager more for the intermediate and the advanced Linux users, I'm sure you'll figure it out. Cheers.